First, we locked it down, working closely with the Blink team. We now locked it down, so it's only chat will only be available to one center within one center. So it's a very closed audience that we're launching the chat to, right? It's launching for everyone, but the chat functionality is very locked down. So that takes, the potential from damage from up here down to a very, very small audience. That's step one. Step two is we're
Do you
also
want me
coming
to
out
take
with,
the rest of it, Nick?
yeah, go ahead.
I think I can take it. Yeah, I know. Just take another drink of water. Um, so we have a pretty stringent social media policy throughout all of our centers, and this certainly applies to it in terms of posting inappropriate content. We actually just created a user manual for our center leaders and made it very clear that as a center leader, franchisee, it's their responsibility to be monitoring that chat, and that when anything is posted inappropriately, we've given them specific directions on how to delete those posts. I think that as we went through this, and there was a lot of internal conversation about launching chat and not launching chat and the risk that it posed, we just felt like the benefits really outweighed the risks, and that if there were inappropriate messages posted to the chat, we are going to have to trust that our franchisees and center leaders are going to take action.